Welcome Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. We're located in West Tennessee. Got a beautiful Class C motorhome, 2017 Winnebago Navion. The floor plan is 24V. This is probably the nicest Class C I've had. As far as small, Winnebago makes a great vehicle. High quality fit and finish. They use really good quality material, just like in the more expensive motorhome. It's got a full body paint. That's what you want, so you don't have to worry about stripes peeling or fading. I love the color scheme. It does have the 5,000 pound towing package. It's got the backup camera with multiple angles on it. What a beauty. Been waxed, serviced, everything works like it's supposed to. It's got many options on it, starting with the chrome wheels. Most of these motorhomes have wheel simulator, but these are solid wheels. It's got good tires on it. There's no fading, just like brand new. Here's my wife Camille. She's going to help us out. Even though this is a smaller motorhome, it's got lots of storage. And I like these compartments. They open up and stay up. You don't have to hold it up with your shoulder. This is the generator. Let's talk about this for a minute. First one I've had with a diesel generator. Most of these have the LP generator, but there's so many benefits from having the diesel generator. First, it's more efficient. It doesn't burn as much fuel as the propane. Plus it runs off the main fuel tank. You've got a 26-gallon diesel tank on this rig, and it's the same fuel that runs the motorhome. It's got a diesel motor on the front, so you never have to worry about running out because you fill up all the time when you're going down the road. You don't have to worry about your LP running out. That's a $5,000 option on these. Well worth it, and they last longer. I just had it serviced. Fuel filter, oil filter, air filter, everything's been serviced. How about this storage here? That's underneath the bed. They make use of all the little square inches. Oop, got a ladder to go up on the roof. I've got a picture of what it looks like up there. It's a fiberglass roof, which is what you want. It's a lot more durable when the limb hits it, and it won't crack and tear up as easy as the fiberglass. It's got a nice simple, there's your power cord. It's got a 30 amp service. When you're going down the road, you keep it plugged up. That'll run off the generator. There's your simple water closet here. Nothing crazy. Straightforward. It's got a 6-gallon gas, water, electric water heater, which is real nice. So when you plugged up at campground, again, you're just burning the electricity instead of burning your propane. Here you got your gas furnace. It's got the flush system where you can flush the black water tank. That's real nice to keep everything clean. Again, there's your wheels. Here's your holding tank. This one's equipped with the heated holding tank system, keep it from freezing. There's your emergency cutoff for the LP and your fill station. You can put your sewage hose in that hole. More storage. Again, most of these small motorhomes don't have this kind of space for storage. There's your slide out. I love these. These are optional, but they're running board if you've got knee problem or you have a hard time getting in and out. These are already pretty low, but this gives you one more little step to get in. Very nice. I guess we can start with the cockpit. How about these? These are really cool. These are shades. They're built in the window frame. How nifty is this? Got a little magnet that holds it, gets out of the way. Takes you less than 5 minutes and you're ready to camp for the night. Same thing with the windshield. That's a factory option. And there's a magnet and catches it on the other side. I think that is very cool. It takes two hands to do this, maybe not. Alright, do that later. Alright, and this one's got the mobile eye, which is a nice safety option. There's a camera up here, and it looks at the road. It'll let you know when you, it's like a lane departure warning system. It'll let you know when you're veering off. Also, if you come up on somebody too quick, too fast, it'll start beeping. It's a good safety feature. A nice little diesel engine, plenty of power, quiet, reliable. It's a Mercedes. It doesn't get much better than this. I've had many of them. They're trouble-free. I had a service. We did the fuel filter, oil. It holds 13 quarts, which is a lot for a small engine. I even did the cabin air filter. Everything's been serviced. And there's your lane departure warning system. Everything's straightforward. You got your volume control, and they actually work. A lot of them don't because they put aftermarket radio, and that doesn't work. There's your trip computer and all your controls for that. It does have cruise control. Got easy shifters, a 5-speed automatic transmission. This thing drives like a little SUV. I mean, they're so easy to drive. How about this nice high definition camera? Let's see. Let's go back to the camera. I like the fact it's got, look at how big the view is here. That's normal, down, and that's the hitch view. And I guess that's my cat there, just chilling in the sun. Finally got a pretty sunny day today. There's your outside temperature. This control panel is the same one I've got in the big expensive motorhome. It's a $2,500 option. Most of them don't have that. It's got the Rand McNally navigation system, which is designed for motorhomes. You can type in how long you are and everything, and it won't let you get in trouble. You can hook up to Wi-Fi and get different things. Cool stuff. And it does have AM, FM, and Bluetooth, so you can stream off your phone. Simple climate control, nothing crazy. It's got a USB and HDMI there for the screen. It's got an outlet there. I do have the extra key and remote. I really like these seats. This is ultra leather. It's not that vinyl cheap stuff. These are actually comfortable. They will not stick to you when it's hot. They won't peel like some of them do, and they're very durable, and they're just very comfortable. Lots of storage compartments in here. You got some more up here. Just nice visibility. These are just great, and I love the way you get in and out. It's so easy. I guess we'll look at the engine on the way out. When we get out, this is where you fill up. Diesel. 26 gallons. It's got DEF fluid under the hood. You have to, these newer ones, that's just the way it is. This is where you fill up. That's your cabin air filter. Everything's nice and clean. And like I said, it's just been serviced. I got 15, 16 miles per gallon, not pulling. And when I pulled a small vehicle on a dolly, I was getting 13, which is not bad for pulling a vehicle. Alright, let's go inside. Very easy access. This is so low to the ground, very easy to get in. It's so pretty in here. I love the floor. It's got a vinyl floor, easy to keep clean, no carpet to mess with. You get sand in here, you just sweep it up. Flex steel furniture. What that means is just good quality. Again, same material, ultra leather, very comfortable. This pulls out and makes a bed. This is all real wood. This reminds me in the airplane. If you're going to jet, this is the way they're going to do them. Just nice quality. Just looks, the finishes are really nice.
All the lights underneath.
Oh, I got LED lights underneath, speakers. This one sleeps 6. You can put a couple kids up here. You got your curtain, nice LED light. It's got a skylight that opens up. Here's a cockpit from in here. There's your ladder to get up on the bed up here. It's got a nice HD TV. This is the over-the-air HD antenna. Lots of button switches for your lights, outlets. There's your sound system. It does have an awning outside. Battery disconnect.
You can also put tables.
Oh, that's right. We can put tables.
That go right here. And these chairs turn around.
That's right. We need to show that on the pictures. These turn around and makes a seating area.
Got storage, lot of storage.
Yes.
For the size the Army given us.
I know, that's huge. All PEX line, so it won't freeze. Stainless sink, pretty good size sink for this size motorhome. There's your gas cooktop. Just nice quality. Put some pots and pans. Got your microwave oven. So you fire up the generator and there you go. Another option on this one, it does have the 15,000 BTU heat pump, so that does heat and air. So again, you don't have to use your propane unless it gets really cold. You can use the electricity from the campground or your generator. It's got a nice modern gas electric refrigerator. The LED light in it. It works great. It's on auto right now. It's on propane because we're not hooked up. Again, lots of option on this one. Factory install solar panel. It's a 100-watt solar panel. It keeps the battery charged when you parked. See, right now it's pretty sunny. We're getting 3.5 amp. That's pretty darn good. There's your power panel, tank, battery. This is the same display you would get on a Class A motorhome. There's your slide-out operator. There's got a 1,000 watt DC inverter. And there's the generator, and that's where you would start it. It's pretty quiet. We'll turn it off, but it's pretty quiet. This bedroom is really nice. You've got individual single bed, or you can pull this slide out. It's all built in. You don't have to hunt it down. It's right there, and then you put your
slide your cushion.
And then look at here, you got your big bed. Very nice. But if you want to be able to walk around and easy access, you would leave this open. Again, the same kind of woodwork. Lots of storage. Outlets, keep your phone charged up, all your toys. Nice LED lights. Got your TV up here. Let's see. Oh, those are the cushions for the front seat and the table. All right. What's in here?
It's just a little
pantry. Very cool. All right. Of course, got to have a bathroom. Again, not bad for this size motorhome. Showers. Very roomy. It's got a nice light at the top and a skylight. Get your sink. Get your exhaust fan. And the air conditioning system is all duct, so you can have it circulating throughout the whole thing. As you can see, it's a dome roof. That's a trademark from Winnebago to have a dome roof like that. Makes things run off the top easier and it looks better. What do you think?
I think they made very good use of all the space.
Oh yes.
You know, there's a lot of storage.
And with
a lot of people.
And with the slide out, it feels a lot bigger. Nice light. There's your thermostat control. It's by far my favorite. Alright, guess we can go back outside. So this thing is 25 foot 7 inches long, 11 foot 1 inches tall, which is actually pretty short. And it holds 26 gallons of fuel, diesel fuel, 36 gallons of fresh water, no, 31 gallons fresh water, and 36 gallons of gray and black water, which is not bad. I mean, that's enough to be out for the weekend. Like I said, I just had it serviced. The engine's been serviced, generator's been serviced, everything's been checked out. When you buy a motorhome from me, unlike the big guys, I make sure everything is working like it's supposed to. And also, when you do come, this is your first purchase, or even if it's not, I'll take as much time as I need to make sure you leave comfortable and know how to work everything. So we'll play with all the buttons, and I'll show you everything I know about it. And do not be intimidated by these. They're very easy to drive. It's really nice. You can pull in the back of a restaurant like a Red Lobster and go in the back and park. It's nothing to it. Probably forgot some stuff, but here we are. If you're looking for a nice motorhome that's in light new condition at an affordable price, I believe you found it. To see if this Winnebago is still for sale, go to my website, sunsetmotors.com. If it's on the website, it's for sale. If not, you're too late and it's gone. Thank you for watching, and come and see us.